Press the red button to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get the latest updates from Sonia Goes Natural. Friends, welcome to Sonia Goes Natural. Diwali decoration ideas is what I'm bringing to you, starting with floating candle DIY. So here you have to take a crystal glass, as I have taken, and into this crystal glasses I'm going to put some stones and some accessories, some pieces of jewelry if you have. So these are the stones which you get easily available. These are the multicolored stones I have taken. So these stones are just going to go inside the glasses. The crystal glasses I have specifically taken because just helps in reflecting the light. This was one small piece of the jewelry which was lying there, so I have put in. So I ensure ki whatever is available handy, I am just putting it to accessorize the beauty of these glasses. These are the dry flowers which we have lying around. Everybody's house, I'm sure, has such flowers lying around. So these flowers have been put into this, and small pieces of jewelry, as I told you, here and there, pouring in the water in this. It's a very simple method, very simple method, pouring the water. You have to leave certain edge around, you have to just fill 3/4 of the glass, not the whole glass. And now pouring in 1 to 2 tablespoons of the oil. Now this is a plastic sheet which I have taken, any random plastic sheet which floats on the water, and piercing in the hole in the center of the plastic sheet. So this hole becomes like this, and then putting the bati into this hole. So with the oil in the water, this starts floating. So this is the main technique of the floating candles or diyas which I have prepared, and believe me, they look so beautiful when you lit them up. So I am lighting up the diyas, and you can see how beautiful they look, and they just give you the feel of Diwali and the festivities going around your home. So just ensure that it is fixed up properly, and then you can lit up all the diyas and make your Diwali so very full of joy. Now I'm starting with the central table decor. Here I have taken this piece I had, placing a small pot on this, and this is a beautiful central piece I had. You can take any other runner also, putting in a piece of tissue into this. So this will just give that feel of festivity, and putting in a light and some diyas around. So what happens is that when your guests come, this central table just adds the edge. Now this the second arrangement, again with the same piece. I am putting a big centerpiece, pouring in fresh flowers, the genda fool as marigolds, into the water. So what happens is that when you keep on changing the setup for the 5 days, you can have 5 different setup. It will look so beautiful. And then the floating candles which I had prepared, I am just placing it around. So with the centerpiece decoration, the entire room gets decked up. And again, sweets to offer to your guests. So how beautiful it looks when you keep on adding such small things here and there for the Diwali. It actually adds up the color and the feel of the festival. Again, the third setup with the same piece and a different centerpiece. So the setup is one and the same, changing the things here and there, putting the diyas. These are the battery operated one with the floating candles around. Again, the same piece of the tissue with the same setup. The light gives a totally different look. So keep on changing. Now this is the dining table decor. Again, a runner I have taken. This was a Jaipuri runner which I had, and again 2 beaded roundlets I have taken, and putting in some battery operated diyas and some actual diyas. So you mix and match of the diyas actually adds so much color to your table, and it looks so beautiful. This is the another setting again with a separate runner with the same bowl which I had at the central piece setting, putting in the fresh flowers, the floating candles, just giving a different look to your center table altogether. So you can just change up with a small, you can see light here. It just lights up the entire feel of your house during the festive season. Now my third decor comes with the entrance door setup. So this is the entrance door. So I wanted to just lit up. So this was a beautiful piece I had got from the shop, which has a leaf impact with the diyas lit up. So that reflection will come when it gets more darker, putting in the fresh flowers again. Some battery operated diyas, some dry flowers and the fresh flower combination. So you can just mix and match the combinations and you see how beautiful it looks. Now a piece of hanging of peacock and some unlit wax diyas. So you can just change the setting and just see how beautiful that entrance door is looking. So it's not always necessary to put rangoli, you can just lit up the things like this. Now this is the side table in my dining room, which I again accessorized with this Dollar Tree things I had. And in this I have put the actual tea lights with a small showpieces with fresh flowers and some lights. My side table has actually looking very good. Now this is the staircase and the base area decor where I have again put some battery operated diyas, some floating candles, and this is my candle holder in which I have lit up the candle with some lights. Again there was a flower vase in which I have put some lights again to just jazz up the entire feel. So it looks so beautiful and so festive. So you can just try all these settings, and if you have liked my settings, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.